Hello, my beautiful friends. Let's take a self-care moment. And this moment is just for you, not just, it is for you to slow down and connect with your breath, your body, how you're feeling right now in this moment. Sometimes just by taking a moment to slow down and notice what is present in your body, notice how you're feeling, how your body is feeling, acknowledging your body, acknowledging what is like if you're feeling sad, if you're feeling upset, if you're feeling alive, happy, taking that moment to be with yourself can be very powerful. And it can tell your body and your being, I really do care about you. It's like checking in with a friend. How are you doing today? What's going on? So let's do that with ourselves right now. So go ahead and close your eyes and put one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Let your jaw drop. Let your shoulders drop down the back. And take a nice inhale and a nice exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. And stay with that breath, breathing in and breathing out, deepening your breath, connecting deeper to yourself. And just noticing, how does your breath feel? Is it shallow? Is it deep? Is it erratic? Is it anxious? Is it alive and full? Without any judgment, you're just noticing and being aware. And without judgment, you are connecting and noticing and being aware. And feeling deep inside of your heart. And breathing in and breathing out, staying with that breath. And asking yourself, how do I feel right now? What is present emotionally? Nothing to change. Nothing to judge. Connecting and acknowledging how you're feeling. Staying with your breath in and your breath out. And connecting with your physical body. Noticing what is present in your physical body, where you're feeling pain or tension, where you're feeling good and alive in your body. Maybe where you're feeling upset with your body or in appreciation for your body. And once again, you are being aware and acknowledging without any judgment. And now you're noticing your mind. Is it scattered? Is it jumping around? Is it ready to move and be done with this meditation? Is it calm? Is there space? Being aware. And now repeating this affirmation to yourself. I am aware of my body. I am aware of my body. I am aware of my body. I accept myself. I accept myself. I accept myself. Taking a deep inhale and exhale, and letting that go and opening your eyes. And knowing that there's nothing for you to do. Maybe there is. Maybe your body is telling you something. Maybe your mind told you something to do to be kinder with yourself. But we are being with and getting connected so that we know how to take care of ourselves better. So I hope this was helpful for you.